Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I want to buy a laptop.
Great. What kind of laptop are you looking for?
I want a simple laptop for work.
Do you need it for office work or gaming?
Only for office work.
Do you have a budget in mind?
Yes, around $500.
Okay, I have a few options.
Can I see them?
Of course. Here is the first one.
It looks good. What brand is it?
It's a Dell laptop.
Is it fast?
Yes, it has 8 gigabytes RAM.
What about the storage?
It has 256 gigabytes SSD.
That's good. Is it heavy?
No, it's light and portable.
Can I try using it?
Sure, go ahead.
The keyboard feels nice.
It also has a webcam.
Can I use it for video calls?
Yes, it's perfect for that.
Does it have Wi-Fi?
Yes, it has built-in Wi-Fi.
How long is the battery life?
Around 7 hours.
That's fine. Is it on sale?
Yes, it's 10% off today.
How much is it after the discount?
It's $450.
That's great. Can I see another one?
Sure, here's a Lenovo laptop.
Is it better than the Dell?
It has more storage, 512 GB SSD.
What about the RAM?
Also 8 GB RAM.
And the battery?
Around 6 hours.
I think I like the Dell.
Good choice.
Can I buy it now?
Yes, I will get it for you.
Thank you.
Do you need a bag for it?
Yes, please.
We have laptop bags on sale.
How much is the bag?
It's $30.
I'll take one.
Anything else you need?
Yes, I also need a smartphone.
What do you want in a phone?
Good camera and fast internet.
Do you want Android or iPhone?
I want an Android phone.
We have Samsung and Xiaomi.
Which one is cheaper?
Xiaomi is cheaper.
Show me the Xiaomi phone.
Here it is.
It looks nice. What is the price?
It's $300.
Good price is reasonable.
It has 3 cameras.
How many cameras does it have?
Yes, try it.
Can I take pictures now?
It has night mode too.
The photos look good.
Yes, it lasts a whole day.
Is the battery good?
Of course.
Can I use WhatsApp on it?
Yes, it has 6 gigabytes RAM.
Is it fast for apps?
No discount on this phone.
That's good. Is it on discount?
Do you want a cover too?
Okay, I still want it.
Yes, we have many colors.
Yes, do you have black covers?
That's $15.
I like the black one.
Would you like a screen protector?
I'll take it.
Only $10.
Yes, how much is it?
Anything else?
Okay, add it too.
Let me check the total.
No, that's all.
That's $805.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, we accept all cards.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Please enter your PIN.
Done.
Payment successful.
Great.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you.
Do you need help with setup?
Yes, can you help me?
Sure, I will set up the laptop first.
Thanks a lot.
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex.
Nice to meet you too.
I am installing the updates.
Okay.
Now, I'll set up your phone.
Great.
Do you have a SIM card?
Yes, here it is.
I'll put it in.
Thank you.
Do you want your email on the phone?
Yes, please.
Give me your email address.
alexsmith@email.com.
Done.
Thank you.
Would you like me to install WhatsApp?
Yes, install it.
Installing now.
Okay.
Do you have other apps in mind?
Maybe Facebook and Instagram.
I will install them.
Thank you.
Everything is ready now.
You are amazing.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Come again anytime.
I will. Bye.